Hi guys, I am Jasmine and I wanted to come on here and share some breathing techniques with you that have helped me so much along my journey. In this video, we'll be covering the breathing technique as well as its benefits and its effect on the body, mentally and physically. So for today, I'm going to be referencing Yoga as Medicine. This has been one of my favorite books along my yoga teaching journey as well as my journey in being a yoga student. For today, we're going to be focusing on left and right breathing, also known as alternate nostril breathing. According to ancient yoga teachings about pranayama, it is said that the left nostril is associated with the yin side of the body, the more receiving, cooling, restorative, and feminine part of the body. This has a relaxing effect on the body when we are in a space when we are connecting and breathing through the left nostril. On the other hand, the right nostril is connected to the yang part of the body in Chinese medicine. It is known as the active part, the more masculine part. It is characterized as being warming, energizing, and having a more active effect on the body. When talking about the nervous system, you can say that when we're breathing through the left side of the body, through the left nostril, we are activating the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the rest and restore part of our body. When we are breathing through the right side of our body, we are activating the fight or flight portion of our body, the sympathetic nervous system. And it's funny, but when you breathe through your right nostril, you're actually activating the left side of your brain, and when you're breathing through the left nostril, you're activating the right side of your brain. When you're breathing through the right side of the body, you're actually increasing the amount of times you blink per minute. And when you breathe through the left side of your body, you're actually reducing the speed of your blinking. Breathing through the left side reduces your heart rate. Breathing through the right side increases your heart rate. Breathing through the right side of your nostril will increase blood sugar, and breathing through the left side will decrease blood sugar. So I'm sure you get the point here. And in this book, it says that masters believe that during meditation, the breath should flow evenly through the two nostrils because of its balancing effects. It's considered the perfect prelude to meditation. Let's go ahead and begin our breathing practice. I'm going to take my glasses off for this one. You can place your middle finger on your forehead, or what I like to do is just bring my ring finger and middle finger down, as well as my index finger. And let's go ahead and just take a deep breath in through our nose. And exhale, release. All right, let's bring the pinky to the left nostril. We're going to inhale through the right. Right thumb down on the right nostril. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left nostril. Pinky down, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right nostril. Thumb down, exhale through the left. Inhale through the left nostril. Pinky down, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right nostril. Thumb down, exhale through the left. Inhale through the left nostril. Pinky down, exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Thumb down, exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Pinky down, exhale through the right. Let's do a couple more. Inhale through the right. Thumb down, exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Pinky down, exhale through the right. Good job. Release your hand and take a deep breath through your nose. Exhale through your nose. Two more at your pace. Good job. You can go ahead and practice it whenever you need to, before you meditate, or whenever you just need to come back into a nice balanced mental and physical place. It's always here for you. Thank you so much for practicing with me and for allowing me to teach you some of my favorite yogic breathing techniques. I hope this is able to help you along your journey. I'm going to go feed my dogs now, and I hope you practice this whenever you feel like you need to come back to your center. This is always here for you wherever you are, and have a great night or day, whatever time it is for you. Thank you and namaste.